Welcome back to Rituals. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. This is Rituals Money Talks, and today's topic is I wrote a book. How about that? I've been telling you guys for the past for about a couple months now that I was writing an actual book. Well, the book is complete and it's available for download. And not only did I make an ebook, I made an interactive ebook. What does that mean? That means within the book, there's over 2 hours. That's right, over 2 whole hours of video content of me providing you guys with financial tips. So not only can you read the book, you can also watch the tutorials. I do tutorials on how to build a budget with a spreadsheet. I go over how to invest. I go over how to save money. I go how to make more money. I talk about the importance of creating wealth. I talk about how to build a brand. This book is packed, filled with information. You guys are going to enjoy it. I put my heart and soul into it. I really wanted to make this book to help others, especially during these trying times. I know some people are trying to figure out ways how to make more money. Some people are trying to figure out ways how to save money. Some people are trying to figure out how to get out of debt. So I wrote this book to help. So please give it a read. If you like it, give it a great review. Greatly appreciate it. But with that being said, what's the name of the book? The name of the book is Common Sense, a simple guide to money. Just like that. So the sense is CENTS. Not the other sense, but common sense. So it's a play on words because this is a financial book. So I did a play on words to kind of lure you guys in. But it makes perfect sense. We break money down to the simplest form, and I show you guys money is not that complex. I also tell you guys money is just a tool. Money is not the goal. Money is just a tool. We use this tool to build financial freedom. Simply that. We don't love money, but we need money to survive in this realm. So I break down money. The topics I cover how to create a budget. I cover how to increase your income. I cover how to save money. I cover how to eliminate debt. I cover how to invest in stocks. I cover how to brand yourself, brand a company, brand yourself. Also talk about how to create a 5-year plan to financial freedom. And I also talk about how to earn a 6-figure salary annually. I teach you how to turn that 6-figure salary into $1 million. So, and it takes time. This is not no get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time. So everything I'm teaching you in this book, all the lessons I'm telling you, it goes over a course of period of years. This is not no get-rich-quick in a week. This is not no get-rich-quick in a month. This is not no get-rich-quick period. This is about learning how money works, how to manage money, how to budget, which is the foundation of how you keep your money, how to save money, how to invest, and how to eliminate debt. We cover those topics. That's what this book is about. This book is to help my family, which is y'all. Y'all are family now. Help y'all learn financial literacy. And even if you already know a lot about financial literacy, some of the things in the books you may not know. So give it a read anyway. Everybody not in the stocks. But hey, I break stock market down for you guys to the simplest form. So maybe you want to learn how to invest in stocks. I teach you how to do it. I teach you the importance of investing in stocks. I even tell you why investing is better than savings. You want to know why? Go get the book. With that being said, I even lowered the price to the book for a limited time only. The book is available for $9.99 for a limited time only. Trust me, that price is going to change because there's a wealth of information in that book. And speaking of wealth, that's what this channel is about. The name of this channel is Rituals. The name of the brand is Rituals, which stands for Daily Practice of Building Wealth. You see it right there. So, if you're trying to build wealth for not only yourself, but for your family and to create generational wealth, which you should be, this is the channel for you, whether you're watching on YouTube, whether you're watching on Facebook, whether you're watching on IGTV. This is the channel for you. But most importantly, go get that book, Common Sense, a simple guide to money, available now. And I'm extremely proud of it. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. Thank you guys for your support, peace, and love. And yo, let's get on this road to financial freedom. Let's get it. Peace. And oh yeah, don't forget to get your merch. What's good, YouTube? Shout out to the Rich Crew. Thank you